Welcome to School of Next Gen. Today we are going to cover heading tags in editor. So here you can see doc time HTML, very beginning of the HTML editor, and here doc type HTML, actually this is a built-in tag. And what is exactly a doc type HTML is? This is actually the specification of HTML that interrupt the document actually. And of course, this is a very basic structure of a HTML. And today we are only covering the body part, which actually can seen within the web page or the web portal, right? So, and of course today very important topic, that is heading tag. What is exactly heading tag is? Any content or any article start having a nice heading that actually provides the headline or the topic name of any content, right? Similarly, in HTML code also different sizes of heading can be given on our web page. HTML allows only 6 sizes for heading, and today we are going to cover those 6 different types of heading, right? So very fast, if you'd like to write within the angle bracket, say H1, right? So what we should write, let's say Bangladesh, right? And let's close it. Closing tag H1, and if we run this code, then Bangladesh, obviously bright, bold and big size Bangladesh represent on the white side of this editor the output of the element H1 code. And let's start with another code H2, let's say Dhaka. Of course we have to close this tag as well. So this is Dhaka, right? So for H1, this is a bigger one compared to this one. If you'd like to write here Bangladesh, so let's comparison within this 2 element tag. So first H1 and H2. H1 is obviously the bigger one, H2 is the smaller one. Then of course we could write down the H3 and H3. So this is become more smaller, and afterward if you'd like to write H6, what will happen? This will become very smaller, right? And if we compare a paragraph, like very basic tag of HTML paragraph, so let's say we write down we love Bangladesh, and let's close it, p tag, close it, and what will happen? So we love Bangladesh, and obviously you can see the H6, the smallest tag of heading, is very small compared to the basic tag of paragraph. So for writing the large headline or large topic name, we have to use H1, then H2, then H3, and chronologically we have to write down the H6 for the smaller one.